In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Avast IP.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. In the search bar, simply type Visual C++ redistributable, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down, you'll find for the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar, type system info. Click on it under the best match. Now your system type, and then click on the link corresponding to it. Click on the folder icon. Double click on it and simply install this into your Windows. But if you have already installed it, click on the repair button. Once done, close. And then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then go to the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click run as administrator. Type SFC space / scan now, hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window and restart your Windows. And also update your Windows. So click on the start button and then you have to, or right click at the start button, select settings. Click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download the necessary updates for your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.